Hi friends, today we're going to discuss Mathematics B paper 1 number 24. So a box contains n buttons. The buttons are either red or blue or such that number of red buttons to number of blue button is 3 to 5. A sample of 2 buttons is taken at random from the back. Given that the probability of the 2 buttons being the same color is 10/19, find the value of n. This question, value 6 marks. Let's get started. You may pause this video for some time to get your own answer, and let's start the discussion now. Okay guys, let's get started. So now we have a n buttons. Number of red to number of blue is 3 to 5. So number of red will be 3/8 because 3 plus 5 total ratio is 8 of n, and number of blue will be 5/8n. Now how do you do next? A sample of 2 is taken at random, so 2 buttons being the same color is given 10/19. So let's get started here. So if we draw the probability 3 for the first withdrawal and second withdrawal, because 2 buttons, so here the first can be red or blue and the second can be red or blue as well. Now the same color will be red first and second, and or blue and blue here. So let's count the probability of them. So now we know that the number of red button is a 3n/8, and the number of the blue button is 5n/8. So now the probability is number of red button over the total number of button, that is n over n. So let's simplify this expression. So now we simplify this one first. 3n/8 divided by total number of button is n, so we cross this one, become 3/8, and 5n/8 over the total number of buttons n, so we can cross, so this one is that much. Now if the first is taken red, so for the second withdrawal, because it's without putting it back, the total number of button decreased by 1, so n-1, and the number of red decreased by 1, 3n/8 minus 1. For the blue in this part, if first withdrawal is red, then the blue is not affected, so 5n/8 over the total number is affected, n-1. Now if the first is taken blue and is not returned back, then the same apply to here. The total number of button will be decreased by 1, and we put it down. And what about the up one? Up one is a blue. If first is blue, the red will not be affected, so the red will become the same, 3n/8. What about the blue? If the first is blue and the second blue will be affected, so the blue will be 5n/8 minus 1. Okay, now the one that is same color is red this path, and blue, so we multiply this one here to get the total to 10/19. So guys, so we write down here 3/8 times 3n/8 minus 1 over n-1 here for the red, plus the blue is 5/8 times 5n/8 minus 1 over n-1. So here we got this one, and we make it equal to 10/19. 5/8 times 5n/8 minus 1 from here over n-1, no, equals to 10/19. The task is to cancel out the denominator, so we can work out the value of n. Let's get started. So we multiply both sides, the whole equation, with n-1 to eliminate the n-1 here. Okay, times 19 as well, because we want to cancel out the 19 at down here, and times 8 as well. So let's cancel out. So now what we can do is we substitute this to each term here. We want to cancel out the denominator, so this is cancelled out, 8 is cancelled out, and this one also cancel out, and 8 is cancelled out in this place. Now here also cancel out 19 and 19. So now we write down the leftover after we cancel out the denominator. Here we already write the equation after we cancel out the denominator. 3 times 19 is 57, 5 times 19 is 95, and this becomes 8 times 10 is 80. Now next task is to expand the bracket here and then simplify to get the n. Here we go, we write 57 times 3 equals to 171n over 8 minus 57, and then 95 times 5n is 475 n over 8 minus 95 and 80 and minus 80. Now we collect the numbers and end with n. Now we already count with calculator for this and these three terms. We collect into one side, this become negative 80, and number we collect to one side, this become positive in here, and it's negative 80. So we count with calculator, we get 72, and this will become 3 over 4n. So now n will be equals to 72 divided by 3 over 4. That will be equals to 96. So n is 96. There are 96 buttons. That's the final answer. If you have any question for another number, you may write in the comment section. We'll reply to you. And bye bye for now, and see you in the next video. God bless you.